50 million, meron pa nga isang kumpanya, napakalit niya, she has to shut down. Bakit? Dahil humihingi ng kotong para mapabilis mo yung proseso. And you don't have to wait for 3 years. Huwag ko kayong iling-iling, sir, please. I don't like that. Para mapaiksi ang proseso, ang hingian po ay 5 million pesos. Sometimes it can go... No, sir, huwag kayong iling, sir.
Sorry po.
Wag. Sometimes it goes up to 20 million per project. Samuel Zacate.
Good evening.
Okay, bago kayo naging FDA, ano pong posisyon niyo ngayon?
Director General
Director
po.
General ng FDA. Saan ho kayo dati? Ano po yung posisyon niyo before
I
this?
was in the Presidential Security Group as a Medical Officer 3 po.
PSG.
Yes, mo sir.
Okay. Now, dalawa lang po ang aking katanungan. Depende po kung paano nyo sagutin. Pwede itong mapaiksi, pwede mapahaba. Ano po? First and foremost, I would like to take you a challenge. Kasi nga po, yung inyo pong posisyon at inyo pong departamento ay talagang tad-tad po ng korupsyon. Willing ho ba kayo, voluntary po ito, na every year, ikaw at makasama mo sa FDA ay ipalabas ang iyong SALN. At ako po, gagawin ko rin yan. Pag tinanggap po yung challenge ko, pareho tayo maglabas ng ating SALN.
Ay, oo naman po.
Very good.
Opo.
Put it on record, you accepted my challenge. Na ikaw at mga kasamahan mo sa FDA, lahat kayo, from you up to down to the janitor, magpapakitaan tayo ng SALN.
Yes, Your Honor, of course.
Very
I'm
good.
willing. I'm willing.
Challenge accepted. Now, umpisahan po natin sa Certificate of Product Registration. You know what that is, right? CPR.
Yes, Your Honor.
Fast forward tayo ng konti. Bakit kapag nag-renew ng produkto ang isang pharmaceutical company, kinailangan renew ng registration, kinailangan maghintay sila ng up to 3 years or sometimes 5 years. At dito po kasi nagiging open to corruption itong sobrang haba ng pag-aantay. Sa mga reklamong natanggap ko po, ang asking price para mapabilis mo yung proseso, and you don't have to wait for 3 years, wag ko kayong iling-iling, sir, please. I don't like that. Para mapaiksi ang proseso, ang hingian po ay 5 million pesos. Sometimes it can go... No, sir, wag kayong iling, sir.
Sorry po.
Wag. Sometimes it goes up to 20 million per product. Go ahead, sir. Answer it.
Your Honor, kaya po ako napapailing kasi kung yan po ay totoo, nakakapanlumo po yan. Kasi actually po, we do not tolerate that in my agency. Regarding po sa mga 3 years na product, I must admit po, sa Center for Drugs and Center for Drugs, minsan nga naniniwala po ako kasi with regard sa backlog, nakikita ko din po yan, masyadong madami. Now, as my directive po, ngayon po nagsisimula na tayo, Your Honor, to streamline the process. When I say to streamline the process, what I notice in the FDA is the lack of digitalization and digitation. So yan po ang aking naging prioridad. Yung pong aspect na yun, ang pong ginagawa natin ng paraan. Katulad po na sinabi ko, Your Honor, yung atin pong unang pagkikita, sabi ko po, inaayos ko pong ICT, ginagawa ko na po ngayon. At ang isa pang aspect po na nakikita ko sa kabagalan po ng sistema, aside from the stringent requirements, of course, Your Honor, no, we cannot do something about it, is yung mga payment posting. Yan po ina-address na po natin ngayon yan. I already submit a request from the National Printing Office. Baka po pwedeng umubra yung e-receipt. So naghihintay po ako sa aking kasamahan sa publiko, Public Service po sa National Printing Office. Hinihintay ko po yung inyong response kasi po madami na po
Response ko po. Sorry, Mr. President.
National Printing Office po.
Okay.
I'm asking them, I'll give a letter of follow-up regarding dun my said request. Now, another thing po, Your Honor. I'm tasking my director. I don't want to mention her name.
Why not?
No, I will mention her name, sir, Your Honor.
Let's be transparent here.
Okay po, Director Sirunay, I'm asking her,
What's your name po, sir?
Director Sirunay po, I'm asking her to address the backlog as soon as possible, but she committed to me that she will address the backlog and will have a zero backlog by June 2023. Yan po, tinext ko po siya kahapon kasi sabi ko sa kanya, I cannot cover this anymore. I cannot cover this for a long time. I cannot justify you. You must address, we must help those people, we must not have a backlog. We have a zero backlog policy. Another nga po, Your Honor, on my agency, I must admit, no, on the part of director, to be fair with my director Joyce, no, she's a very talented and brilliant director. I have to admit that there are problems in my agency. Number one is the lack of manpower. So what I do is to have a directive to all my directors to fill up the plantilla positions. What I noticed, there are so many plantilla positions, not only in the internal management and centers, but also in the field regulatory operation. Now, another thing, nagkakaroon po kami ng backlog because nauubusan po kami ng expert pool, yung mga nagre-review po ng mga gamot. So that's one of the thing that I'm addressing because yung ano natin, honoraria natin sa mga expert natin po baka hindi nga po makaabot pa sa gasolina. So that's what I'm talking to them, that yung consultant, yung expert pool, igawin ng consultant para may regular ng tayo. But of course, the expert medical doctors, I must admit, because I'm a doctor also, they have livings, no? But I cannot, hindi namin mapantayan sa ahensya. Another thing, to address the manpower, number one po, ginawa ko po to fill up all the plantilla positions. So that the next year po, I already talked to Secretary Amena that my plan is to reorganize the FDA. Because the FDA, the organization of the FDA is not coping up with the system or the innovation of the science of this country. So those are the things that I need to address. Aside from that, sir, there are administrative order that I keep on talking to my people and also our beloved secretary, the Administrative Order 67. I think I need to address that and to have a technical working group who it's not anymore coping with the innovation, sir. So I have a technical working group. The timeline is January 2023. By that, we will have a working group. I will submit my recommendation of our amendment of the Administrative Order number 67 for the approval of the Secretary, OIC Secretary. Rest assured, sir. Rest assured. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best in my capacity. The FDA are brilliant people. They're highly technical. Now, those allegations, I cannot tolerate that, sir, Your Honor. I will guarantee you that I will eliminate if I can see anything that is outside my principle of public service. I will guarantee you that.
Okay. Mr. President, thank you. Now, ang haba po ng inyong sagot sa napaka-exit kong tanong, gusto ko pong maiksing sagot. So, yung 3 years po or more na para sa pag-renew ng certificate of product registration, from 3 years, pwede nyo bang mapapabaan yan to what years, ilang years o ilang month, o ilang weeks o days?
Wait po, Your Honor. Kinuha ko lang po yung citizen charter ng certificate of product registration.
Kasi sa ngayon, sir, Mr. President, sa ngayon kasi 3 years ang minimum. Inabot pa up to 5 years. So, may papangako niyo po ba na yung 3 years na yan ay mapapaiksin niyo po to at least man lang, say, 1 year? Mas maganda, 6 months.
What I noticed, Your Honor, yung 3 years na yun, isip kong ano yan collective po. So, nangyayari, nagkaka-problem po kami or bumabagal yung sistema nga namin sa pre-assessment. Not because, no, I give the benefit of a doubt sa mga tao ko. The reason, because of the internal management, sir. The commitment, basta po hindi namin makompromise yung safety and efficacy ng isang produkto. That's why I'm amending the AO. Yun po ang pinaka-main target ko sa kanila. Kasi yung 3 years na yun, I think may possibility po talagang umiksi yan Basta maayos ko lang po itong internal management.
To our distinguished colleague, may I interject? There is already the ease of doing business law.
Yes.
I'm sure linapitan na kayo ng ARTA, pinagsabihan na kayo ng ARTA because FDA was one of the top 3 agencies that were the number 1 complainants before we passed the law. That's why we passed the law, which is the 3-7-20-day rule. Yung 3 and 7 is for local, these are for local governments. These are 3 days simple, 7 days maximum sa local government on transactions, days of transactions. On the national government agencies, it is 20 days, but 20 working days with a, meron po tayong, another 20 days. You can seek an extension of another 20 days. So, pinakamatagal na yan, 20 working days, more or less isang buwan yan. Tama. Sorry, more than a little bit more than 1 month. Yan po ayon sa batas. At hindi po namin na-accept yung FDA dyan. So, hindi po pwede yung 6 months, hindi po pwede yung 1 year. It has to be 20 working days extendable to another 20 working days. After that, you will be in violation of the law.
I'm well aware of that, Mr.
Thank you,
Senator.
partner. Thank you. Lamang po, Senator Tulfo. I just wanted to add to that. May batas na tayo. Ako yung author niyan
Yun nga po
Chairman
sana
ako
kung
nun.
tatanungin,
Thank
Mr.
you.
President.
Your Honor, can I answer po?
Kanina pa, ang haba-haba muna ako naman.
Okay po, sir.
Okay. Kanina, sinabi mo, you will not tolerate at walang problema sa ahensya mo sa FDA. So, parang malinis ang FDA. Now, let me tell you this.